SMEC, incorporated under Companies Act in the year 2001 in India, is one of the leading and quality-oriented multinational EPC companies having necessary skill sets to meet the international standards, globally recognized for distinctive services in electrical, control systems, mechanical, hydraulics and instrumentation sectors, specifically for oil and gas fields. With more than 2 decades of service history in the fields of marine and offshore electrical and automation product support, development and services including design, build, retrofit, repair and maintenance services, our excellence in the field have made us earn ISO 9001-2015 certifications for the quality standards. Presently, SMEC has operations in Singapore, Middle East and Asia Pacific and other parts of the world. Proven capabilities in development of various systems and panels for projects with various public and private sector undertakings. Our R&D department is dedicated to provide user-friendly and quality-compliant solutions for fulfilling the ever-demanding requirement for the targeted fields, organization and vessels. Our precise, innovative and effective use of latest technologies enable us in providing most efficient facilities and products with e-house, automation and control systems, DC power solutions, drivers and rectifiers, AC power solutions, etc. SMEC has reached a stature of extending our capability into development of explicit systems including PMS, power distribution centers, drilling consoles, digital analog SCR systems, tank gauging systems, process control and monitoring systems, etc. and have gained the sole proprietorship in developing and supplying these globally. Apart from the developments, we extend our extensive service support for engineering, field maintenance services having requirement of highly skilled manpower. The on-site attendance is scheduled as per the customer requirement and with a considerable ease for completing the whole site requirement of the client. SMEC has the potential to re-engineer, reverse engineer the obsolete conventional card-based system into more advanced and automated equipment based on open architecture. This has been achieved with our group of highly skilled and professionally competent workforce with good technical expertise. We have our service branches spanned across overseas branch offices with Middle East and Asia Pacific and also in all major ports in India, which shall enable us to provide excellent spare support and attend the services in the places indicated by clients within short period.